How to change Netflix region. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your Netflix region, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the reason you might want to change your region on Netflix is because you might want to watch shows that are not available in your own country, and the only way that this is possible is by not simply changing the location settings or anything like that. You have to use a VPN, which will ultimately change the IP address and trick Netflix into thinking that you're browsing it from some other country. So there are many popular VPN applications. In my case, I'm using an IPVanish VPN with a premium plan, by the way. So as long as I have a premium plan, I should be able to connect to any server that I like. Now I can simply select a location that I want to connect to. After that, I can simply come back to Netflix and then you should be able to use it. You don't have to necessarily use the one that I'm using, but you can also try out other ones. So hope this video helped you as to how you can change your Netflix region. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.